everybody, and welcome back to Living Large Camping. We just pulled into a site that we have been waiting for almost a year and a half since we came here last time.
We are a few,
Emphasis on few.
We are a few miles outside of Aspen. The colors are changing, as you can tell behind us, and it is absolutely beautiful and magical. And like he said, we are so excited to be here.
We've got a ton of fun things planned, but today we're just gonna enjoy not being on the road, taking in the scenery and the beautiful weather that Aspen, Colorado has to offer.
First things first, we want to take you guys around the campground and show you the beautiful colors we are talking about.
Let's go check it out. This place is stunning. Just want to provide an update on our Goal Zero alternator charger. Whenever we left today, we had 31% battery. We drove for about 3.5 hours, and when we pulled in here, we were at 81%. Definitely happy with that charge rate, and hopefully it continues and we have no issues, but I think that may just have solved our battery issues for good. Such a beautiful walk through this campground. It is relatively empty right now, but I think most people check in today, so tomorrow morning's walk we're going to get to see all of the campers and new setups that come in tonight. For now, it's pretty warm. We're going to put our chairs in the shade, and I think it's time for an ice cold beer. Sounds really nice, and we had a long day of driving and errands, so we're going to enjoy this one.
I made myself a little gin and soda. Obviously had to make it cute, why not? But now it is time to go out in the shade and enjoy the beautiful, cool weather. Cheers, guys. We've just been hanging out, enjoying being here at this campground. I was talking to my mom for a while, which was super nice, catching up. It's always a good time when we can call our family and say hi and just check in with what each other is doing. But now it is dropping. I think it is in the 50s and it's only like 6:30. So we are gonna start making dinner, and I think it's gonna be super simple.
We had some leftover shredded chicken and then some onions and pepper and black beans. Make some rice, and we're gonna have a little bit of a Mexican bowl tonight. We did pick up a bunch of groceries today, and we have some fun things planned to cook for the next couple of days while we're here. So I'm just gonna get the leftovers out of the way, and then we'll make the good stuff later. And look at the flowers.
How fall of us.
And just like that, dinner came together in about 5 minutes. One thing that we always recommend is whenever you have a long travel day, to go ahead and make some leftovers the night before. When you get in, you're tired and you don't want to sit there and cook an hour's worth of dinner. So it's almost like having to go. And now we get to sit here and enjoy this and our beautiful view.
We're due to clean our windows. That'll happen tomorrow. But dinner time now. was a nice and easy dinner. We put the camera away for a little bit as we did the dishes, washed our face, and got ready for bed. We are just taking this day as a recovery day. So we're going to read in bed, and then tomorrow we are going to explore all of Aspen with you guys. So good night for now.
Good night. Good morning, everybody. It's about 40 degrees out, and we're already planning on showering today, so I think it's a perfect morning for a fire. That way we can come out here, warm up, and just kick off a great day. Let's get it going. I don't think I have the camera pointed anywhere near that.
Good morning! It's officially sweater weather. He looks pretty cute.
Well, while we're enjoying this fire, we're also going to kick on the water heater. That way, whenever we're done here, we have a nice hot shower waiting for us.
This way? Took us a little bit to figure it out, but now it's going, and I'm excited for a hot shower. To do that, we have to take everything out of the bathroom, so we're going to do that now, and then we're going to take a nice hot shower. Right? Good.
Those showers felt amazing, and now it's time for us to head into town. We are going to take our bikes this time because they have a gravel bike path from this campground all the way into Aspen, which is amazing. I'm really excited for it. First things first, we need to take the bikes out of the truck, get them ready, and then we'll hit the road. We also picked up a new GoPro, the Hero 11 Black, because it was on sale. So we're going to be filming on that today. Hopefully the audio levels sound all right. It's going to be a little bit of an adjustment for us filming on 2 cameras, but I think it's really going to help elevate our videos. So if it sounds slightly different, that's why. We'll figure it out, I promise, at some point. Time to go to town.
Here we go.
What do you think, Bart?
Not gonna lie, even filming this, it looks fake. It is beautiful today. I think it's in the 70s, sunny, bright blue skies. It's gonna be a great bike ride to town. It is just under 4-mile bike ride, which is amazing. It is on a different path than the road, which is also amazing. And honestly, I wouldn't care if this bike ride was like 10 or 15 miles. It is gorgeous out today.
Bikes are locked, got a snack, time to go walk around. few hours walking around town. We stopped to get a beer and of course a pizza.
With Hutch chili on it, and honestly it sounds amazing. Connor's already had a couple bites, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty good. So we're just gonna hang here with the view. We just left Aspen Tap. Now we're at our bikes unlocking them, and we're gonna go for the 4 or so mile journey back to our campground.
We made it back onto the bike trail. It is 3.4 miles and it's gravel paved all the way back to the campsite. So it's gonna be a pretty easy drive. It is a beautiful afternoon here. I mean, these colors are starting to turn and it is looking so gorgeous.
Not bad.
Not bad. This is actually the first campground that we stayed at where we really thought that bikes would be a huge improvement in our setup. And now that we're back here and we use them, it was definitely worth it. We're back on our main vlogging camera now, so if you notice a big audio difference, we will try to fix that at some point, but we wanted to get the new GoPro a try, and hopefully it'll help stabilize some of our videos, and it's great for hiking because it's a very small and compact camera. Now we're back, we're both exhausted, it's time to hang out and just enjoy camp.
Sounds perfect.
This town is so beautiful, and I understand why it has such a draw for tourism, but it's definitely best at the campground.
It is pretty quiet because there's not as many people here, so we're really enjoying that. And it looks like some rain is rolling in, so we are going to just hang out inside, get some work done, and just relax.
I can't wait to explore more of this area because the colors are continuing to change. It is almost peak fall season, and we are just loving this cool weather camping.
We have some extremely fun things planned to take you guys along with next video, which will be on Wednesday. But until then, thank you guys for watching.
Hope you have a large day. We will see you next video.
Bye, guys.
That was super smooth.
I can't turn it off. I'm confused.
Oh yeah.